Amazing facts about Earth. In this video I am going to tell you about some amazing facts about Earth. 1. Earth's gravity isn't similar. If Earth were an outstanding sphere, its gravitational field would be the exact everywhere. But in fact, the planet's surface is rough, and water progression, ice drift and the activity of the tectonic plates beneath Earth's rind all alter the jerk of gravity. These differences are known as gravity abnormalities. A cliff range such as the Himalayas causes a favorable gravity anomaly. Gravity is powerful there than it would be on a featureless, faultlessly steady planet. Contrarily, the existence of ocean trenches, or plunges in the territory caused by glaciers millennia ago, directs to adverse gravity anomalies. 2. In the history, sea statuses were very diverse. The most recent progress of ice on planet Earth started about 70,000 years ago, stopped 11,500 years ago and reached its distant extent 18,000 years ago. During this time, glaciers and plates of ice carved out the basins of the Great Lakes and obstructed rivers, diverting the lessons of the Mississippi and other rivers in the U. So much water was trapped as ice that sea levels dropped by as much as 120 meters, 390 feet, threatening portions of what is now the aquatic floor. Planet's sea level has also been up to 70 meters, 230 feet, elevated in the history. 3. Sun has an insatiable craving. All stars, like our Sun, age and ultimately die. As the Sun tires its supply of hydrogen, it will slump under gravity, ultimately increasing into a red monster that is 100 times bigger and 2,000 times more brilliant, evaporating Earth in the procedure. But don't worry, it won't occur for about 5 billion years. One alternative is to vacate the Earth before this occurs, but that would expect as yet unimagined technology and a comfortable objective. The other chance is that, over the second few billion years, a fleeting star could disrupt Earth's path and push it away from the Sun. Scientists have indicated the odds of this are 1 in 100,000, better than earning the lottery. Unfortunately, vacated without a sun, our offspring would possibly end up freezing to demise. The Moon is not Earth's only collaborator. There are 2 other trunks revolving near Earth that are sometimes cited to as moons, though they are not exactly capable of the crown. Found out in 1986, 3753 Cruithne is an asteroid that certainly revolves the Sun. Since it takes the same quantity of time to revolve the Sun as Earth, it looks as if Cruithne is following our planet. Its path, when seen from the opinion of Earth, appears bin-shaped. Asteroid 2002 AA29 also circles the Sun once a year, following a more bizarre horseshoe-shaped path that brings it close to Earth, within about 5.9 million kilometers or 3.7 million miles, every 95 years. The Peace Before the Hurricane. It's not just an old spouse's tale. Under the right circumstances, the peace before the storm really does occur. As a storm draws in warm, moist air, its power, from the surrounding environment, it vacates a low-pressure region behind. Air is carried up into the wind cloud, and some of it is forced upwards by important drafts. These updrafts eliminate the hot air and drag it out over the walls of the tallest storm clouds, which can be up to 16 kilometers, 10 miles, high. As the air then plummets, it becomes calmer and drier and therefore more permanent. It covers the nation below and establishes the air included within, causing people within that nation to glance apiece before the bombardment. Earth is not steady, but it's not flawlessly round either. Earth has never been faultlessly round. The Earth swells around the equator by a more 0.3% as an outcome of the fact that it rotates about its axis. Earth's diameter from north to south pole is 12,714 kilometers, 7,900 miles, while through the equator it is 12,756 kilometers, 7,926 miles. The difference, 42. 78 kilometers, 26. 58 miles, is about 1/300th the diameter of Earth. This difference is too tiny to be seen in pictures of Earth from space, so the planet seems round to the human eye. Recent exploration from NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory suggests that melting glaciers are causing Earth's abdomen to circulate. The days are getting lengthier. The length of Earth's day is improving. When Earth was shaped 6 billion years before, its day would have been roughly 6 hours long. By 620 million years ago, this had boosted to 21. Today, the normal day is 24 hours long, but is boosting by about 1.7 milliseconds every century. The explanation? The Moon is chilling Earth's cycle through the ebbs that it helps establish. Earth's spin affects the roll of its tidal ocean bubbles to be pulled narrowly ahead of the Moon-Earth axis, which establishes a twisting force that calms down Earth's cycle. As an outcome, our day is reaping lengthier. I hope you guys enjoyed these facts about Earth. Thank you.